Quick Bbquesday and mail call. Just opened it. Got the new levels, scope levels. Came in the wrong box. Flashlight mount. I'm going to try to dial in this pellet gun, the 1022 and a Mosin Nagant. We'll see what happens. I'll let you know. Ask if you want to know more. I'll let you know. Most of the stuff was purchased because of Midway's, when you register at Midwayusa, they give you a birthday sale every year. So about 10 days before your birthday, everything's on sale in the store. So I like to save up my purchases for that time of year. So I suggest you register. And normally I buy my wife's stuff because it's right by Mother's Day. So everything I buy is partially for me, but fun hobby too. So it's also my wife's mainly. That came out. It's mostly for my wife, but it's my fun hobby to build things. So anyway, so the Beretta G conversion. Some people know what that is. That's going to make the Beretta safety be able to drop the hammer and then pop back up to be on a double action again. So you're going to have a heavy trigger pull, but it will not stay stuck on safe. So I've been looking forward to that upgrade for a long time. I said the levels, going to try to get that. Got some pellets, going to try to get it zeroed in 50 feet with these pellets and really try to dial it up. Knife sharpener. It was fairly cheap. Good reviews. I'll see what happens if I open it and try it. And for just under $80. Oh yeah. I'll try that out on the wife's LCR. And if I didn't mention, the Beretta G kit is for the wife's Beretta. This is for the wife's LCR. The scope levels are for me. Alright, try to get this installed for the Bbquesday real quick. Let's see how it goes. Let's see, this is the instruction book. We can just throw that freaking thing away. We don't need that shit. That looks easy. Look at that. Bam, bam, bam. Just some pictures. Nothing to worry about. Probably tells you to unload the gun and shit. I don't know. We'll do that. What do we got in here? Ooh, that's a crusty one. This gets a little complicated. Let's see if we got this. What size torque screw? Oh, it has it supplied. Wow. Didn't read it. Now I'm reading it. Okay, rotate empty cylinder to closed position. I'm gonna need to really torque this sumbitch. Use supplied Torx wrench to replace Ruger factory pivot screw. I'd say this is a little bit scary. You can feel things moving back here that shouldn't be moving. Alright. Not sure if I even pressed record on that. What? I did? I'll just point it at the camera, that's safe. Okay. There we go. Pull that out. Ooh, don't let it fly apart. Fiddle fuddle. Get up there. There's where it's supposed to be. No, it's not. That's probably why you don't do them on camera much. This one's a smaller one. I didn't read that, so let's see. So that's all I gotta do. I guess I should have read it first. And this makes way more sense after. Freaking hot in here. There we go. So that new screw gives a little nub on there. It just takes it from that one to that one. I don't know if that's picking it up. Next up, ooh, now it fits nice. It's got to click or something. No, it's all with him. What the? They gave me an Allen wrench for Phillips? So this is the adjust laser. Okay. That makes more sense. So I do need the special tool. This screwdriver not fitting that well. Let's get a different one. Oh, it's smaller. Oh, that one's good. Much better. So worrying about that G conversion, I don't want to spend $40 on punch kit and a whole bunch of other shit. So I'm gonna think about it, watch a few more videos. Well, it got installed. Not sure how it came out on camera. Just installed the LaserMax sight. Pretty impressed, pretty easy. Downfall, gonna have to get a hold of them.
Good afternoon, customer service. Can I help you?
Oh yes, I had just bought a center fire LaserMax laser, and I was missing the adjustment screw for the up and down.
Okay, I can send you out one of those. What model is it?
It's the LaserMax. Let's see. It's for the LCR, LCRX. Is it the CF LCR? What's that?
Whose name do you want me to have the screw sent to?
Robert. What was your name again?
Yeah, my name is Chuck.
All right, appreciate that.
Anytime. You have a great day, sir.
All right, thank you. Okay, that concludes our Bbquesday. I did the call in to LaserMax at the end. Got the screw on the way, so we'll see how customer support was really awesome so far. We'll see how quick it gets here. All right, have a good one.